I want to talk about the application of Smile Perfected in your dental practice. And of course, the most obvious place to use Smile Perfected is at the end of a hygiene visit, whether it's a routine prophy or it's a periodontal maintenance procedure. But there's two other places that we have offices using Smile Perfected which are really impactful to top line revenue and bottom line profit. And let me tell you this little story, and I'm sure this has happened to your practice and you hate when it happens. You do a crown prep and you're getting ready to take the shade, or your dental assistant's getting ready to take the shade, and the worst sentence we ever want to hear out of a patient's mouth is, "I'm thinking of whitening my teeth." And at that point, all bets are off at the point of trying to finish that crown that day, because now you've got to wait for the patient to whiten their teeth if they're doing a take-home system. And that includes if you have CEREC inside the office or some type of milling machine inside the office for your crowns. So how do you get around that with Smile Perfected? So easy. You tell your patients, great, while we're making the temp or we're getting ready to, and prepare for the milling of your crown, we're going to go ahead and do the 20-minute Smile Perfected whitening at this moment. So what's involved? You're going to polish the patient's teeth with some pumice to get rid of the pellicle layer. You're going to go ahead and do the Smile Perfect, and in 20 minutes, you're going to have a brighter and whiter smile. You're going to take the shade then, whether it's for the final crown that'll be delivered in a couple of weeks, or for the final crown that'll be milled by your milling machine inside your office. So as opposed to delaying the crown procedure, you're able to do it immediately then. The other place that's been really successful with Smile Perfected is either during Invisalign treatment or at the end of Invisalign treatment as kind of an add-on to keeping the patient's teeth bright and white. Now, of course, the downside to Smile Perfected during an Invisalign treatment is the little buttons that you put on teeth to help the movement. But if you don't have to worry about that, or you're going to be removing those buttons after a week or two, you can still go ahead and do Smile Perfected. The other place that you can use Smile Perfected is during Invisalign treatment. And the best part about that is it becomes an add-on or something additional that the patient get. You can charge them for it, but most of the offices that we have using Smile Perfected with Invisalign is they give it to the patient for free or is included in the service. Because now the patients just have this wonderful feeling about the office, and you're doing something more than is expected. And that's like one of the tenets that we've talked about when it comes to promoting your practice. Do something more than is expected. So Smile Perfected during Invisalign treatment, Smile Perfected at the end of Invisalign treatment is a gigantic wow, and it's going to truly make your office decidedly distinctly different. So what are the take-homes? Do Smile Perfected when it comes to crown and bridge procedures. Do Smile Perfected when it comes to Invisalign procedures. And these are all ways that you can make Smile Perfected more valuable to your practice and add value to your patients, and they're truly going to really just love your office for all the extra things that you do.